Hello everyone. India approved two COVID vaccines and one COVID pill. The COVID vaccines are Corbevax and Covovax, and COVID pill is Molnupiravir. In this video, I will explain the brief details about all these three things. This is my YouTube channel wherein you find all pharma related and science related videos. Just type in my name in YouTube, you will get my channel. Let's get into the topic. Now, CDSCO is the agency which approves drugs in India, and it approved two COVID vaccines, Covovax and Corbevax, and an anti-COVID pill, Molnupiravir. When you see the details, this Covovax has shown 90% efficacy, which is a very good rate. It is in fact developed by Novavax, but in India it will be produced by Serum Institute of India, which is based in Pune. Now, it will be available to Indian population by March 2022. The other one, Corbevax, it has also shown 80 to 90% established efficacy, and it is developed by Bayer Institute, but in India it will be made by Biological E, which is based in Hyderabad, and it is expected to supply the vaccine by February 2022. Now the other one, antiviral pill Molnupiravir, it has shown 30% reduction in risk of hospitalization and death. It is developed by Merck Institute, but there are 8 Indian companies which are ready to develop this drug. This drug also will be available soon in 2022. Now let us see about vaccines. Now both the vaccines, Corbevax and Covovax, are made from protein subunit of virus. So this is what is a typical coronavirus is. It has got a surface protein known as spike protein. Spike protein is responsible for the infection of coronavirus. So these two vaccines are made by using this spike protein. The spike protein is isolated, prepared, and it is mixed with an adjuvant or made into a nanoparticle, and this is what is given as a vaccine. So the spike protein subunit is given as a vaccine. See, this is only a protein, it is not a virus, so it cannot cause infection in human beings. But human body develop immune response against this spike protein. All these are antibodies which will combine with the spike protein and neutralize them. This is what is immune response is. So what happens is when actually virus infection occurs, all these antibodies will go and attack the spike protein and kill the virus. This is how these two vaccines will work. A minor difference is there between these two. In case of Covovax, the spike proteins are latched onto a nanoparticle. So nanoparticle based vaccine. Whereas in Corbevax, all these spike proteins are combined with an adjuvant which will make a virus like particle, and this is what is Corbevax vaccine. Both of them, they are protein based vaccines. Now when you see the details, both of them, they are protein subunit vaccines, and they generate antibodies which will fight the real virus when the virus infects a human being. Now how many doses will you need? For both of them, 2 doses are required. Now what is the gap between the 2 doses? The gap is 28 days. So within a month, both the doses can be administered. Now this Corbevax is made by Hyderabad based Biological E company. This is a kind of receptor binding domain vaccine. It's a fancy word, you just remember the spike protein is utilized in this vaccine. Now again, 2 doses with 28 days apart. Now the major advantage is it can be administered intramuscularly 0.5 ml of the vaccine, and it can be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Normal ordinary refrigerator is enough. You don't need high refrigerating temperatures. Now in case of Covovax, which is made by Serum Institute of India, which is based in Pune, it has taken a license from this Novavax. The Indian version of Novavax is known as Covovax. Again, it also needs only 2 to 8 degrees of refrigeration. Now the advantage with Serum Covovax vaccine is it has shown a very good immune response against Omicron variant. This is a good news. So it will be effective against Omicron variant. Now till now India has approved so many kinds of vaccines. Covishield, Covaxin, Sputnik already approved. Covovax, Corbevax are recently approved, and Covovax will be available by March 2022, whereas Corbevax will be available by February 2022. The Moderna vaccine, Sputnik Russian vaccine, Johnson & Johnson, Zycovid, all of them are also approved in India. They will be available soon in the coming years. Now, the other one, the pill which is approved to use against COVID is the Merck pill known as molnupiravir. This molnupiravir inhibits a viral RNA-dependent RNA polymerase enzyme. The job of this enzyme is to multiply the virus. Virus multiplies with the help of this enzyme. And this drug inhibits this enzyme, so multiplication of virus is inhibited. That is how this drug is used to treat COVID infection. Now, when to take the pill? It has to be taken as soon as possible. Diagnosis of COVID is made. It should be taken within 5 days of symptoms onset. And the treatment goes for 5 days. Now, what about the dose? 800 mg, that means 4 200 mg capsules taken orally every 12 hours for 5 days. Adverse reactions, the most common adverse reaction is diarrhea, nausea and dizziness, which are very much tolerable. So, this is about the current update on COVID war. So, India has approved 2 new vaccines and 1 anti-corona pill. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video content, do subscribe and share.